Welcome to my live video, live streaming, and all the live that we do. So, my name is Akilish Matavi, Double Grace. I am welcome to this beautiful channel, Benway Family TV. So, this this afternoon, I'll be talking to you how telling you how to grow your channel. That's what we're talking about. That's where our focus is going to be. How to grow your channel. And I think this is the first time of me being live dressed like this, with my YouTube shorts shirt. Because growing your channels is very important. And a lot of times when people start YouTube, they find it difficult to grow their channel. They have a lot of difficulties. And when you want to grow your channel, you see it has to do with your patience and commitment. Yeah, you need to be committed and you have to be patient because at times when you think about a YouTube channel and you want to create that particular YouTube channel, you have challenges. You'll be thinking that how can I make this thing possible? How do I make it fast? How can I bring people to subscribe to my channel? What kind of content should I create to make people to watch my YouTube channel? Those are the questions that always come to your mind. You think about them and you think how you are going to survive on this YouTube journey. So thinking about that, what do you need to do first? Like I said, creating your YouTube, growing your YouTube channel, you have to be patient. Yeah, what I mean being patient is that for you to be able to, if your channel does not grow within a period of time, you still have the strength to be able to create more videos, to create more content. And at times when we feel that, oh, our channel is not growing the way we want it to grow, so we feel relaxed. We say, why am I wasting my time? But it's not always like that. Some of us started YouTube for a very long time. I have so many channels that I started YouTube and they were not growing. So I sat within myself and I thought, okay, why don't you create content that you promote your culture? Then I thought about it and I started creating content. And then I started seeing people rushing to my content, watching my videos, subscribing. Then from one subscribe, two, three, four, five. Now I'm getting to almost 5,000 subscribers. But this journey started in 2020, yeah? Yes, 2020. It took me a lot of time before I get to this point. And I'm still pushing. So you have to be patient. YouTube, some people will start YouTube today, next week, boom, they will monetize them. But some people will start 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, and even 1 year. But you see them, they'll not be monetized. Why? It varies, and everybody has their own luck. Yeah. And at times when I when I started, people that started behind me, they got monetized, and I was still there. But one thing I did, I never gave up. I was still producing, creating content, no matter what. Before I got monetized, I was still creating content. And now this is it. At times when you are not monetized, you have that zeal to create content. You have zeal, you are creating content when you are not monetized. When you are finally monetized, that's when you stop creating content. Sometimes you feel lazy, you feel that when you create, people don't watch, when you create, they don't think, they don't. My friend, just keep creating, keep on creating. YouTube consistency is very important. And if people come to my channel today and watch video, they come next week, they see one video, they come another next week, they don't see any video. They come again, they don't see another video, they will run away. But when they come to your channel and they will have something to watch, I thank God that we have YouTube Shorts now. You have Shorts. At least when you are preparing your long form content, you can create a short to just keep your channel going. And one thing I love about YouTube Shorts, it helps your channel to grow, bring subscribers to you. And funny enough, let me shock you. Most of my viewers, my views are coming from YouTube Shorts. When I look at the map, I discover that I have a lot of people watching me from my shorts. So creating shorts helps you to get more subscribers, because when people are watching feed, as they're watching going, they'll suggest you. Once they see they like it, someone will subscribe. Once they see they like it, they subscribe. And not just creating, you create good content. You create good and quality content. And when you have a good quality content, when people look at it, they will feel like, oh, let me watch it. Let me see what this person is trying to say. And you see your channel will grow. And now, I need to say this thing. I don't want people to, don't be telling maybe your family members, come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come and subscribe. Those people, they don't have interest on on what you are doing. It's not everybody in your family that likes your YouTube videos that you are creating. It's not everybody. So you call your family members and come and subscribe. Now they have subscribed to your channel, but they're not watching your videos. That is why you have to know your niche, who you are creating your videos for. Now, for instance, for me, I was creating my videos for my culture. Yeah. So now I wanted to expand. I wanted to, do more of lifestyle, create content for people to see or people to watch more of my content. What did I do? So I have to jump and I started visiting places. I've just started, I've not been there yet. I started visiting places and then creating content. And now, at least for the first time on my YouTube channel, about 3 days or 4 days ago, the video got about 2,000 something views, 2,300 views. To me, is a big thing to me, because in the back in the days when I post a video on my channel, what I will have like for maybe 200 or 50 or 60 or 120 or 200. But in the space of 4 days, I have 2,000. It's a breakthrough for me. For me, that is a big breakthrough. So, but when we are not consistent with creating content, it affects our channel and it affects the growth of our YouTube. So, how do you overcome this? Now, you can decide to where you can create your content. Me, I love what YouTube normally do. They will they will give you condition to go about it. And to be frank with you, most of those social medias that we have, I believe, to me, I believe YouTube is one of the simplest, that makes things easier for viewers to grow their channel or to be monetized. And now, take for instance, we in Nigeria, we don't have access to other platforms, but YouTube is everywhere. I believe YouTube is everywhere around the world. Wherever you go, you see YouTube, uh, making sure that their community, they're happy. So look at YouTube Shorts, create YouTube Shorts, and after being patient, your consistency. Yeah, when you have that consistency is very, very important, because if there's no consistency, there'll be no growth. Because when I come to your channel and I see, you posted about 5 weeks or 5 months ago and you've not posted, nobody will want to come to that kind of channel. But when you see it and when you post and people say, oh, this person has a good content, let me watch. This person is consistent. Now, when you are creating YouTube, when you are creating content, know that you are trying to answer to people's questions, because a lot of people come to YouTube to search about certain things, to know about certain things. If I want to go to the UK today, and if I have the address, I can go on YouTube and search And if there are videos about this place, I will watch so that when I get to the place, I will not feel like, I'm new here. So I will feel like, oh, I've been here. I've known a lot about these places. So to me, for us to grow our channel, now me, I've not promote my YouTube. Yes, I've not promote my YouTube. So it just gradually organic growth. This is what I have gradually that I'm going like this. I'm going like this. I started from one arm. I think I'm left with almost 30 something subscribers to get to 5,000. It's a big thing for me because it's not easy. Coming this far is not easy. And for now, I'm going to be part of the YouTube Shorts, part of the community. It's a privilege. So, as a YouTuber that wants to grow his or her own channel, you have to be hardworking. You have to be hardworking because if you're not hardworking, it will be hard for you to get all those how to grow your channel because you must be hardworking. When you're hardworking, your channel grows. At times when you post, you feel, oh, I've posted, nobody's watching. I've done that, nobody's watching. Don't give up. Sometimes videos that we post sometimes ago, it will start making waves after 1 year, 3 years, or 3 months, 2 days, or 5 days. And when you see a video, you post a video and you feel that, oh, I've created this content. Everybody is going to watch. Everybody, they're going to watch this content. And to your surprise, once you create a content, you post and you discover that nobody is watching. Now you feel sad. Then what do you do next? Some of us will go and the video. Your video to you, let me just say, your video to you might not have value to you today, but trust me, that same video might be the answer to the whole world. Funny enough, YouTube is not even asking you for space, like, and this space, pay for this. It's not even asking you that. So why don't you leave the video there? Because not every time that when people come to your channel they will see that, okay, you have a lot of videos, you have a lot of success. Now when they look at your video they will say, oh, this is where this guy started from. I watch Tayo's videos a lot. I watch Tayo videos a lot, and when I was watching his video, I went back to his channel, all those videos that he normally upload long time ago. I see some of them, if you check, some of them does not even have 200 views. But he didn't stop. He did not delete all those videos. Maybe some of them is because maybe at a point when he became popular, people started watching his old videos. He did a lot of videos, create so many content before he started travel videos and all of that. He was doing tutorials and all of that. So when you have your videos, if you are deleting your videos because you are not getting views, my friend, what you are doing is not right. Do not delete your video because of views. Once your video does not have copyright strike, leave it there. Just leave it. Let it be there. Don't touch it. Let your video be there. And to your surprise, one day you say, wow, I thank God I did not delete this video. If I have deleted this video today, there will be no video for me. So that's how some of us, we just waste content because they're not there. You're not getting views. Yeah, it's not on every video that you get views. Even the big YouTubers, I don't think it's all the videos that they get views. So with that, to me, I will encourage us not to delete our videos because when you're deleting your videos, you yourself, you are bringing your channel down. So do not delete your YouTube videos, no matter what. Because just imagine if I had deleted most of my videos today because I've not gotten views, I will see most of the videos that are performing well on my channel is videos that I posted a long time ago, about some few years ago. You will see them. They will be when they bring the notification for me to check how my channel is progressing. I will look. Those videos will be one among the two. Maybe the new one will just come just one. So in that kind of situation, how do you explain that? Me, to me, I suggest we should not be deleting our YouTube videos, no matter what. No matter how you feel, don't delete your YouTube videos. Leave it there. Even if you're not getting views, just leave it. At times, when we're not getting views, is because of the kind of thumbnail we have, or because of the titling. And that is what is very important. If you are creating any content, you need to go online, then search. Do a search about the topic. Now, when you have a search, you know where you are going to approach from, where you're going to come from. Don't just come and sit and start talking about a particular video. Do your research and know what you are going for, so that when you come to talk about it, you know what you're talking about. When you want to get the your channel, your thumbnail, you get it right. When you want to get your titling, you get it right because you have done research. So you see what people are looking for, you see what people are researching about a particular topic. Then from there you can